Hi guys, and welcome to Classic Mini Maintenance and Repairs. So today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Sportspack triple gauges that I bought off eBay. Now these gauges only cost me about £17. I'm not expecting much. The quality might be questionable. Do they actually work? Who knows? They seem to be quite popular in America. There's a lot of guys using almost exactly the same clocks, probably from the same manufacturer. As I said, they were pretty cheap. They're only £17 posted. If you're going to buy the official John Cooper clocks, I think second hand you're looking at £150. If you're going to buy the Smith's vintage cream clocks, I think they're about £80 each. So in comparison, these are very cheap. So cheap I'm not even expecting them to work. So we'll crack on, unbox them, and we'll do a little kind of quality review, and then once I've got them installed, we'll see if they actually work. Okay guys, so first off the bat, the packaging is non-existent. It's basically just a bubble wrap bag. There's nothing securing the clocks inside. I can feel every single one of them. You can hear it rattling about, so packaging's not very good. You'd expect it to come in its own box. Stop any damages. Obviously this will be getting tossed about, squashed, etc. So we'll see if anything's broken. Righty ho, here we go. Okay. Okay, so packaging looks very naff, smooth. Don't know what smooth means. Is that just the company makes them? It's pretty burst up. As I said, there's nothing stopping them getting squashed. So we'll open it up. Let's see, what does it say here? FA C3 triple gauge set. Sweep, oil pressure, water temperature. Nothing else on the box. Doesn't tell you who makes it, where it comes from. I presume it's made in China. Everything cheap like this is made in China. So let's see what we've got inside. Okay. Okay, so first impressions, yeah, looks pretty clean, pretty shiny. There's a bit of dust or something inside the box. Let's have a look. Got a little bag here full of different connectors, little brass fittings. Okay, got a little plastic tube here. I'm guessing that's for the oil pressure hose. Got some fitting screws, some washers, little bolts. This pointless bit of cardboard that's wrapped around the clock, so we'll just get rid of this. Oops. Okay, a very cheap, nasty little bit of wire that's really thin. I don't even know why that's there. Okay, so that's the probe for the water temperature gauge. Comes with an adapter. Presume that goes into the block or into a water temperature hose adapter. Okay. Wow, okay, so that bulb looks like it's melted or just very badly manufactured. That one doesn't look too bad, but again it's pretty bent. And we've got one bulb at the free that looks reasonable. Okay. So there's a little kind of what would you call that? So like a little kind of plate for mounting the clocks on like other cars. You can mount them under your dash or on top of the dash. Quite sharp edges on that. Looks like an alright finish actually. The chromo looks pretty good. Can't see anything wrong with the clocks themselves. They actually look pretty decent. It's got a fair bit of weight to it as well. Okay, so first impressions for £17. Yeah, I'm quite impressed actually. A little bit dusty. Let's see if we can shine it up a bit. That's a bit better. Yeah. You'll have to excuse this black marker on my camera. There's something inside the lens. I can't get it out. That's what that black mark is. Yeah, they look pretty cool. Nice bright orange dials there. Nice bright white screens. The chrome all looks pretty decent. They feel heavy. Yeah, okay. So marks out of 10 for looks. Yeah, I'll give them an 8. Don't look too bad at all, actually. Okay guys, so I've just been having a little closer look at these clocks. One thing I missed was the screen cover here is actually glass. It's not plastic. I thought it would be plastic, but it is actually glass. Overall the finish on them seems okay. There's a little kind of bump in the chrome down the bottom here. Don't really notice it, but you wouldn't get that from a professional company. Inside the clock itself there's bits of dust and there's a hair on the clock face. Hopefully over time that just kind of shakes and falls down and disappears behind the clock at sight. There's one machine mark just there. You can see maybe the drill bits came out and just kind of slightly danced along the gauge surface there before it got to the screw hole. Kind of annoying, not super noticeable. I really like the bright orange here. That's really stands out. So there's no mistaking where the hand's pointing. Yeah, there's nothing really wrong with other clocks there. They're the same with the tiny bits of dust inside them. You can't even see them on the camera, but I can see them with the naked eye. Some of the clock surfaces seem a bit scratched up. See if I can hold it at an angle. Again, they're not super noticeable, but you wouldn't get it from a professional clock. You can just see there's kind of lines on the dial surface. But anyway, so 17 quid. If they work, do you know what? I'll be pretty chuffed with them. How long would they last? Who knows? Yeah, okay, so £17 well spent, I think. If they actually work, I'd buy them again. Okay, so as you can see, I've installed the 3 gauges in the dash. We've got the engine ticking over, our water temperature is slowly building, we've got 12 volts reading on the voltmeter, and the oil pressure gauge is sitting at just over 60 psi. Now there was another clip of me flipping the lights on and off, and the lights do work, it's just the files became corrupt, so I couldn't put it on here. Now, the price actually came down slightly for these. They're now £15.48, so you're saving £1.50. And I would buy them again, to be honest, for value for money, and they seem to work just fine. Now, there's also another version that's popped up, and it's the same again. It's got the oil pressure, the water temperature, but this time instead of a voltmeter, it's got an amp reader, which is quite cool. I'd maybe buy this set next time just to try them out. So anyway, thanks a lot for watching, guys, and if you check out the install video, you'll catch all the bits.